11 Fun Things Kids Can Do in Phuket. Phuket is a great destination for families traveling with kids. While there are also plenty of attractions and activities for the whole family in Phuket, this list is specifically those things to do with kids, mostly for kids. The Phuket Trickeye Museum is an interactive 3D painting exhibition offering amazing photo opportunities and great fun for the whole family. Baan Teelanka is an upside-down house, with all of the tables, chairs and typical furnishings on the roof instead of the floor. Surf House Phuket is a place where you can ride the waves every day, regardless of the weather. Splash Jungle Water Park is part of the Grand West Sands Villa Phuket on Mai Khao Beach. Dino Park offers a great opportunity for families and friends to enjoy a game of minigolf in a prehistoric setting. The Kids Club Phuket is a safe, fun and conveniently situated children's center in Patong. Patong Go-Kart Speedway offers fun and rip-roaring thrills for the whole family. Flying Hanuman in Kathu is an excellent option if you're the type of person who loves high-flying thrills. Participants at Zorbing at Rollerball descend a 190-meter-long hill track inside a 3-meter diameter flexible plastic ball. Phuket Aquarium displays thousands of tropical, colorful and exotic marine creatures. Phuket Bird Park is home to over 1,000 birds of around 100 species from Asia, Africa, and South America. Visit AndatelHotel.com for full article and interesting videos on Phuket.